Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to replace the air filter. Chevrolet recommends inspecting the filter every 15,000 miles and replacing it when necessary. A friend of mine just bought this car, so it should be interesting to see what condition the filter's in. This job doesn't require any tools, but here's the new filter I'll be installing. To get started, pop the hood. The air filter housing is at the front center of the engine bay. Lift up to release the two straps securing the air filter tray. If there's not enough room to pull out the filter, carefully move the straps around to the top side of the hood. Now remove the filter from the tray so you can inspect it. This one is full of dirt and debris, so it's clearly due for replacement. Wipe off the tray and install the new filter, making sure it doesn't get bunched up between these ridges. You'll need to use one hand to lift the air filter housing so you can slide in the tray with the new filter. Slip the straps back under the hood, being careful with the paint, and secure both straps. Now close the hood because we're done. That concludes this week's video. Please consider subscribing. I'm halfway to 1,000 subscribers, which is when YouTube will start paying me, so you'd actually be helping me out quite a bit, and it won't cost you a thing. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.